Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today's lineup is packed with incredible woodworking innovations. We're showcasing 20 amazing woodworking tools on Amazon you must have that can boost precision, save time, and make every project easier. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these must-have tools are sure to impress. Let's get started. Roll Collapsible Cart. The Olympia Tools. Pack and Roll Collapsible Cart is a versatile transport solution designed for workshops, garages, offices, and everyday hauling. Its lightweight aluminum frame folds flat in seconds for compact storage, while smooth rolling swivel casters provide excellent mobility. Available in 2-tier, 3-tier, heavy-duty, and crate-style models, these carts support loads from 55 to 300 pounds, making them ideal for carrying tools, supplies, groceries, and equipment with ease and convenience. Chamfer Dogs. TSO. 20mm chamfer dogs are premium precision bench dogs designed for 20mm workbench systems, including Festool MFT style tops. Their unique chamfered profile self-centers in beveled holes, delivering exceptional accuracy for squaring, alignment, and repeatable cuts. Made from durable T6 aluminum, they resist wear while preventing fall-through. Available in standard and close-fit versions with multiple height options, these bench dogs provide reliable support for clamping, track saw work, cabinet assembly, and other precision woodworking tasks. GrabberPRO. The Milescraft 3406. GrabberPRO is a versatile safety push block designed to improve control and protect your hands during table saw, router table, bandsaw, and jointer operations. Its over-the-blade design grips both the workpiece and offcut for safer, smoother cuts. Featuring adjustable, non-slip TPE legs, an ergonomic handle, stabilizing support foot, and a sacrificial retractable heel, it delivers excellent precision, stability, and confidence when ripping narrow or challenging stock. Track saw clamps. The WORKPRO 9-inch track saw clamps provide a fast, secure way to lock guide rails in place for accurate, slip-free cuts. Their one-handed quick release mechanism delivers up to 150 pounds of clamping force, while non-marring rubber pads protect finished surfaces. Compatible with many popular track saw systems, these clamps also convert into versatile bar clamps for everyday woodworking tasks, making them a practical addition to any workshop focused on precision, efficiency, and convenience. Wood Workbench. The Olympia Wood Workbench is a sturdy, versatile workstation built for woodworking, repairs, and DIY projects. Constructed from durable hardwood with a protective finish, it offers a spacious work surface, integrated vices, bench dogs, and convenient storage shelves or drawers, depending on the model. With weight capacities up to 450 pounds and options for adjustable height, this workbench provides excellent stability, organization, and long-lasting performance for both hobbyists and professional craftsmen. Miter Saw Protractor. The Sacher Miter Saw Protractor is a precision angle measuring tool that simplifies cutting trim, baseboards, crown molding, and other woodworking projects. Its dual scale design automatically converts measured corner angles into accurate miter cut settings, eliminating complex calculations. Built from durable CNC machined aluminum with laser engraved markings, it delivers long-lasting accuracy and easy readability. Compact, lightweight, and simple to use, this protractor helps achieve clean, professional joints on both inside and outside corners. Sleeveless sanding drums. Infinity Tools. Sleeveless sanding drums offer a cost-effective solution for sanding curves, edges, and intricate woodworking profiles. Instead of using expensive replacement sleeves, they securely hold standard sandpaper sheets with a simple locking mechanism. The durable rubber-coated drum provides smooth, even sanding while reducing vibration for better control. Available for drill presses, power drills, or handheld use, these versatile drums are ideal for shaping furniture, removing glue, and finishing detailed woodworking projects.
ThinRip Guide. The Woodpeckers. ThinRip Guide TRG from Woodpeckers is a precision table saw accessory built for safe, repeatable, thin strip cutting. Its off-cut side stop prevents dangerous binding, while a dual bearing system ensures smooth, accurate guidance. Capable of cutting strips from ultra-thin sizes up to 1 1/4 inches, it features laser-engraved scales for quick setup. Crafted from anodized aluminum, it offers durability, stability, and universal compatibility with standard miter slots for professional woodworking tasks. "90-degree corner" clamp. The CNQLIS stainless steel 90-degree corner clamp is a high-quality tool designed to hold materials at a precise 90-degree angle, ideal for woodworking, welding, and DIY projects. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting use. The adjustable swivel jaw accommodates different material thicknesses, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Suitable for various projects, from framing and furniture assembly to picture frames and fish tanks. The clamp comes in open and closed styles, includes fixing holes for bench mounting, and is compact and lightweight for easy handling. Duo-sided vacuum pad. The Virutex Duo-sided vacuum pad SVN 250-. DUO is a powerful pneumatic clamping solution that holds workpieces securely without traditional clamps. Featuring suction on both sides, it locks onto the workbench and the material at the same time, even vertically. Designed for smooth, non-porous surfaces, it provides strong, mark-free fixation ideal for finished pieces. With customizable suction zones, expandable setup options, and professional-grade holding force, it's perfect for precision trimming, banding, and detailed woodworking tasks. Shelf Pin Jig. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin Jig is a rugged, all-metal solution for drilling perfectly spaced shelf pin holes and installing 35mm concealed hinges. Made from high-strength aluminum, it features built-in clamping for fast, accurate setup without extra tools. Dual 1/4 inch and 5mm bushings support metric and imperial pins, while adjustable setbacks, depth control, and an alignment pin ensure consistent results. Drill up to 11 holes per pass for maximum efficiency. Platinum 3007 in 1 saw. The ROTORAZER Platinum 3007 in 1 saw is a compact powerhouse built to handle almost any cutting job with one tool. Its 500-watt motor spins at 4,500 RPM, slicing cleanly through wood, metal, tile, plastic, and more. Designed to replace multiple saws, it cuts straight, curved, vertical, or upside down with ease. Adjustable depth control, enhanced safety features, and a dust extraction system make it ideal for fast, clean, and precise DIY or renovation projects. Stair Tread Template Tool. The SUNLFPROD. Stair Tread Template Tool is a precision, adjustable gauge built from aviation-grade aluminum for fast, accurate stair layouts. Its extendable sliders adapt to a wide range of tread widths, while pivoting arms lock in exact angles for perfect transfers. Laser-etched metric and imperial scales ensure accuracy, and the damping washer system holds shape securely. Ideal for stairs, shelves, flooring, and trim work. It saves time, reduces waste, and delivers consistent professional results. Micro-Square. The Woodpeckers. Micro-Square is a compact, ultra-precise layout tool built for tight spaces and fine joinery where standard squares fall short. Small enough for a pocket, yet machined to professional tolerances, it excels at dovetails, mortises, and detailed setups. With interchangeable stainless steel blades, a durable brass knob, and lifetime guaranteed accuracy, it delivers big performance in a tiny shop-ready package, proudly made in the USA. Measurer GAM, Duhaka, Gatos Ugbainte. The Bosch Angle. Measurer GAM 220 is a professional digital angle finder built for speed, accuracy, and durability on demanding job sites. It delivers precise angle calculations up to 220 degrees with plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy, features a locking screw for reliable transfer, and an illuminated rotating display for clear visibility. With memory and hold functions, integrated leveling vials, leg extension, and rugged IP54 housing, it's ideal for construction and woodworking professionals. ShelfJig, the Milescraft 1343. ShelfJig is a precise, durable drilling template for professional quality shelf pin holes with standard 32mm spacing in cabinets, closets, and bookshelves. Its clear polycarbonate body ensures full visibility for accurate layout, while 7 hardened steel bushings guide straight, consistent holes. Dual diameters support 1/4 inch and 5mm pins. Features include repositionable fences for 37mm or 64mm setbacks, indexing pins for continuous rows, centering notches for alignment, a depth stop for consistent drilling, and integrated storage. The kit includes all drill bits, pins, hex key, and fence for ready-to-use convenience. Folding saddle squares. The Woodpeckers. Folding saddle squares are precision layout tools with a hinge design that wraps around corners, allowing accurate transfer of lines from one face to an adjacent face in a single motion. Their adjustable hinge supports multiple angles, ideal for tenons, cross dowels, and angled joints. Milled from solid aluminum, anodized, and engraved for high accuracy, they offer durable, long-lasting performance. Available in mini and full sizes, they simplify complex layouts, reducing markings by half. Made in the USA, these tools deliver unmatched precision for woodworkers. Premium router. Table packages. The Woodpeckers. Premium router table packages deliver a complete professional-grade routing station built for accuracy and stability. Each package includes a precision flat tabletop, SF-PRO micro-adjustable fence, smooth above the table router lift, heavy-duty adjustable steel stand, and integrated dust collection. With embedded T-tracks, offset fence faces, and mobility options, these all-in-one systems provide repeatable precision, clean operation, and rock-solid performance for serious woodworking projects. Woodworking edge trimmer. The Inralimot. Woodworking Edge Trimmer is a compact hand-powered tool built for clean, precise edge finishing. Its sharp high-carbon steel blade easily deburrs and trims edge banding, while the durable Bakelite handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. The safe V-shaped design prevents board damage and reduces hand strain. Lightweight and portable, it works smoothly on straight or curved edges and handles P, VC, ABS, laminate, melamine, and wood veneer with ease. Wood filler, wood putty. BONCART. Wood filler and putty is a water-based, easy-to-use solution for repairing nail holes, cracks, dents, and surface damage on wood. Its smooth, low viscosity texture applies effortlessly and sands clean once dry. Made from non-toxic formaldehyde-free materials, it's safe for indoor use. The filler offers strong adhesion, durable results, and can be painted or stained to blend seamlessly. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, doors, floors, and DIY wood projects. Spline Jig. The TOOLCOOL Spline Jig is a precision right-angle fixture made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, designed to reinforce miter joints by cutting accurate spline slots on a table saw or router table. Its dual machine compatibility and adjustable corner clamp, 5mm to 42mm, suit projects from small boxes to picture frames. The low-profile design enhances stability, while the safety-conscious structure keeps fingers clear of blades. Built for durability with an anodized finish, it includes an Allen wrench and hex bit for easy manual or drill-assisted operation, ensuring strong, precise, and lasting joinery.